index match. Let me just close this tableau. You have created this table, everybody? Yes. So we are going to see what is the use of index match. So Abhishek sir at 11 a.m. what he is teaching? Tally. Okay. So let us try to find it. Is it correct? At what? 11 I said, right? 11 a.m. So you can see tally is coming, right? So using the combination of index match, we are getting these values. We don't have to search in this. We can apply this index match and just whatever is my requirement, I can select it from the drop down and I can select the timing and I can see the output. No need to see, okay, 9 a.m. Ajay sir. So what is doing? DTP. Getting it? This is not the requirement to do. We can make this kind of box, apply the index match formula, and we can do it. So while doing index match, let us see what match is doing first. I want you all to make this table. I will show how to make it. Then everyone you have to make. While I am doing it, you don't have to do simultaneously because you will miss some points. Okay. So first, we are selecting these two columns, two boxes. Let us suppose. Let me remove this whole. I'll clear. Now see, I'm selecting this two. Here I'm typing index match. In one cell I have typed. These two cells I have selected. Okay. And now I'm doing, where is that option? Merge center. Clicking on this. So this became one cell. Getting it? Control Z. This value is there in only one column, that is key. Now when I select this both and I clicked on merge center, so this whole cell got merged. Two cells got merged. And then clicking this become, this is fill color. Here I am writing something like select. Okay. In this corresponding to select, I am creating one drop down using data validation. You have seen that, right? How to create a data validation. Clicking on the drop down data validation, selecting the list source. I want all the teacher names, but do I want this time/teacher? No. From here I want all the teacher names. Okay. The source selected. Okay. So when I click on this drop down, I will be able to see all the names. Okay. Similarly, here also I will make the drop down for this timing. Going to the data validation, select list, then clicking in the source, selecting this whole timing. Say okay. Here also we can select the. Now this is the main formula which we are going to do. I want you all to create this much. Then we'll go for the further options. Hello. No.
Excuse me, sir.
Sorry.
Can you repeat it once again?
So why it took this much time to ask for repeat? What point you got stuck? Tell me. From where should I repeat?
From starts to.
Okay. Your name is?
Praveen Kumar.
How are you, Praveen?
Fine. How about you?
See, Praveen, this
Okay.
value is in one cell. Yes or no?
Okay.
For merging this, how much? What I want to do?
Can drag.
Merge center. After selecting these two cells, I can select merge center. So this two cell become one cell. Getting it?
Okay. I'm good.
Then clicking on this fill color. Then typing here select. Then going for data validation, list, source, names. Okay.
We need to select all columns.
Yeah, these are the names, right? When I click on this drop down, I want to see all the names. I just
Okay.
select this much, not this whole data. I have not selected. I selected only the
Only
names.
header columns.
Yes, column
Okay,
headers.
fine.
Then going to data validation again, adding the list, putting the source. Okay. Here in this drop down, I'm getting
Timing.
time. Now see index match. Now first let us see match. If I want this 9 a.m. Okay, what is
Okay.
the row number of this 9 a.m.? We'll be counting it from here because our whole table is this much. Okay, this rows and columns are all together this much. So my first row will be this, second, third, fourth. So 9 a.m. is at what? Row number
4.
4.
4.
And column number, if I say Abhishek sir, what is the column number? 1, 2, 3,
2, 3,
4.
4.
Getting it? So match. Match will give you. Praveen, mute yourself.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Match. Lookup value. So what I want to search this 8 a.m. in this. Okay. So lookup value is what? 8 a.m. This I want to search. Lookup. What I am looking up for? 8 a.m. What is this? 8 a.m. lookup value. Comma. Lookup array. In which I'll be searching in this much. Getting it? Why I am selecting this time and time slash teacher? Will understand while we will be working with index. Okay. Right now select from the first row itself from here. Okay. So what I did, time slash teacher I selected from there till 1 p.m. This is my range. This is my lookup array. Lookup value is what? 8 a.m. Lookup array. I'm searching that 8 a.m. here. Okay. Type of match. I want exact match. So for exact match, what is the number there? 0. Okay. Giving the number 0. That is for exact match. Round bracket close, enter. See where it is, row number 3. 1, 2, 3. 8 a.m. is at 3. And I'm clicking on the 11 a.m. 6 is coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes or no? Another is column, that is finding this Abhishek sir. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Abhishek sir is at column number 4. So match equal to match. Lookup value is what? Abhishek sir. Okay. Comma lookup array is from here. This all names. Comma I want exact match. Comma 0. Round bracket close. Enter. So 6, comma 4. So 6 is 11. 4th is what? Abhishek sir. So what I'll be getting? This combination. I'll get what? Tally. Now see, index equal to index. First it want the array. So this is my whole table. In this whole table where I am starting from? Time slash teacher going till x. Okay. Now in this row number. Row number is what? This horizontal or row number. This is column number. So row number is this, comma column number is this. Round bracket close. Enter. What I got? Tally. Getting it or not? Yes. Right now what I have done? Separate. Match formula separate I have given. Index formula separate I have. But the same thing I'll type here. I'll write equal to index tab array is this, comma inside the row number I will write the formula of match. Match here what I have to give for rows. So what is my lookup value? Time, right? Time is at the rows. So lookup value is this, comma lookup array is this, and comma exact match 0, round bracket close, comma. Now I'll be giving for column. See this index, first it want row number, then it want column number. Now I am giving for column number. Match lookup value for this is Abhishek sir, comma lookup array is this whole, comma exact match round bracket, and this is what red round bracket. I want black. So no, means it is the final one. Black round bracket is for final. Until that you have to give. Enter. So this is nested function. So first I want you to type this formula separately, then use that inside the index. Then I want you to type the final formula here. So those who want to take the reference, I'll keep this on. Who's it is? You can select which format you want from here. Okay, like this you want, right? Okay. How I did here. Went to this and time. Is it done, everyone? Which one? Till here? Very good. Unable to do? Which part? This one? Or this? Or this? 6 4. Unable to do. Do you have this table proper? You don't have the table, right? Somebody, please share that Excel file on the group fast. This having this table from boys. Somebody, please put this on the group. Tataji, put it. So what you have done Saturday, Sunday? You didn't have the recording. Yes, anybody shared or not? Got the file? What are you doing, guys? Let me see. Will I be able to share this? This won't get filled right properly. If I copy it from here, copy. Yes, it's getting. Take it from the chat. Copy this from the chat and paste it in the Excel. कॉपी पेस्ट नहीं हो रहा, कहीं भी नहीं है. See guys, we cannot invest much time in this. We have to go for next. Those who are done, until I just clear his doubt, I want you all to type this data. Everyone, type it. Take a photo if you want. Or let me check. I'll be able to put it. Try copy paste this in the Excel, guys. I've shared the data inside Skype chat. Copy it from there or see and type. Any option you can follow. See the data and type or copy it from Skype. What you are doing? Huh? We'll take it from Skype. Do it right now. Yes, you got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, once again, I am repeating it. See, match. Lookup value is this time, comma. Lookup array. In this, I have to find that time. That is lookup array. I want to find the exact match. Enter. This is next one. Match is for column. So what I'm doing? Match. Lookup value this. Abhishek sir. I want to find this here. Okay. Comma. First of all, Abhishek sir is the lookup value, comma. I have to find this here in the lookup array, comma. Exact match. Enter. Now this index, what it is taking? Array, row, column. What is taking? Array, row, column. So first is my array, this much from here to here. This is row. Here I have calculated the row. I18. I8, sorry, I8, I9 I calculate the column. So these two things I passed. Okay. Now here, let me type the formula here, equal to index array is this whole, okay, comma, row. In the row I'll type match, lookup value is first row wise lookup value, that is for time, comma, lookup array is this, comma, exact match. Now for column match, lookup value is Abhishek sir, comma, lookup array is this horizontal column names, comma, exact match. So here I forgot to give the last bracket. Okay. Tell you. Whenever I am changing, this value getting updated according to the things. So every time I don't have to search it in this table, I can just create this kind of small boxes, tables, and I can find using index match. Can we go for next now? Now sum if. This data everybody have? Say yes or no. Who is telling no? I shared this in the chat box. See here. Getting? Take it fast. Now, once those who have created this, I want you to create this kind of structure. Designation and designation a manager, clerk, peon, and this is total salary. Done, everyone? Done. See, we'll write the formula now. Sum equal to sum if tab range criteria sum range. So first I'll be giving, this is my range from here to here. My criteria is this manager. Just a second, I selected wrong. This is my range, okay, comma, and this is my criteria, comma, this is my sum range. Round bracket close, enter. So what is happening in this formula? Everybody, Sum if. What is the range? This column, all the designations are there. Pune. In one particular company, in one particular designation, many people will be working, right? So now here you can see Pune, but salaries are different. Why is it so? Because person joined on the designation today will have less salary the person who has been there in the company for last 10 years. Yes or no? So there is salary difference, but the designations are same. So I just want to find to this particular designation how much total salary I am giving. Yes or no? For designation of Pune, how much total salary I am sending. For designation of clerk, how much total salary I am sending. For designation of manager, how much salary I am sending. Getting it? So this much is the salary for the manager. When I double click here, this all got filled. But is this correct? Let us check. This value I am selecting. Okay. How much is the sum? 25753961. 25753961. What happened? Something weird, confusion kind of getting. Sorry? Slow down. No problem. I'll give time, right? Right now you focus what I'm doing. Okay. See what is I have selected this column. So here downside there is count of column, average, sum. So total sum of these values is how much? 25753961. Now let us select this much. Now check. Is this correct? 25630513. So both the values are matching. Yes or no? Not matching, right? It means we are messing up something. Let us see what we are messing. When I'm clicking here, so this much data, this is my range. This is getting selected. When I'm going to the next cell, see, data getting shifted one cell down. Getting it? When I'm going to this, my selected now Pune and manager are not in my range. See, they are getting one step down because I have double click here, one step down. It is checking the sum. So for the first cell, I have given this range. So it is thinking that next cell, one step down is the range. Excel is thinking like that. Okay. When I'm clicking here, Excel is thinking it is two step down the range because for this two rows up, the range was starting from here. Two rows down, the range might be starting from here. It is the default setting of Excel. Until we fix the range, it will not get fixed. So you're getting what is going wrong. Last one is what? Pune. So for Pune, this much is the range getting selected, but we are missing this first value of Pune. Yes or no? So what is going wrong? We got it right. Now let us fix the values. Okay. Let me remove this formula. Okay, everybody write this normal formula first. See, you also you can see what is going wrong. Yes, you can sit here. You can take help from her. Getting 0. Huh? 0 also. Okay, once again I'll do. Let me see why 0 is coming. You are okay. See, I'll show you. It's not your mistake even. See, here in my manager, when you copy the data, there is one space here in the name of manager. And when you are trying to check, here is not that space. Now see, when I gave here space, so the values are changed now. Already it was 9. Now it has become less. If I am changing the giving space, enter, these values are getting changed. Understood? See, so the spelling, the space, extra space is doing the error there. Just remove that space, or both the side give the name with the space, or both the side don't give the name with the space. Understanding what I'm saying? It is the spelling difference. Have you all done with this normal formula? Now let's go for the fixed one. Let me remove this whole. I'll remove this. Everybody look at the screen. It's very important one. We are going to repeat this in sum if, count ifs. This fixed formula is going to be fixed multiple times. But for the first time you have to be very careful about it. Equal to sum if tab, range is this, and I want this range to be fixed. So the shortcut is F2. Just a second. I'm unable to see the key here. So it's F4. See everyone, once again I'm selecting the range and pressing on F4. So this dollar is getting added. It means my range is getting fixed now. Okay. Now this B stands for column, phi stands for row. So this B column is fixed. It will not shift on another side. B to C it will not become. For column, B is fixed. For row, 5 to 21, this much is fixed. It will not get shift down. Understood? 5 to 6, it will not become. It will be fixed. So my range is fixed now. This peon and this till 21. This range is fixed. Though my data here I am going shifting down, but this range will not get shift down because of this dollar. You can manually also type it, like I can remove this and manually add dollar 4 times. So for that shortcut is what? F4. If F4 is not working for you, you can press function F4. There is a function key Fn. Function F4 you can try, will it work? First directly press F4, then function F4 if not working. Now criteria. Criteria is this manager. This manager should move downside, right? Manager, next row it should become clerk. Next row it should become peon. So this row I will not make fix. I'll just make column fix. This E should not become F. Getting it? But this E7 should become E8, E9. Yes or no? So here, this row I will not make fix. Only E I'll make fix. Getting it? 7, that is row value. That I'm not making fix because it is going downwards, right? E7, E8, E9. After that, comma, sum range. This is my sum range. This also I want it to be fixed. So F4, round bracket close, enter. Now I will double click. So see 25753961, 25753961. Now our values are correct. Make it everybody. So where is your friend? He'll not here. He'll come next year. This should I zoom? What? Should I repeat it? Okay. Just a second. So for someone else also 0 was coming. You got it? Yeah, that is fine. But here spaces are not there. Make it. Guys, what you have done? See, here the before name it is space, not the after. Before name it is space. See, if you give here manager, space. Now it will work. Manager, still not working. After name, copy. Still not working. Now again, once again, try this. Try the formula once again. So your formula is correct. Only just check the characters. See here, before the name, in this also space is there. Getting it? Here is also before name space is there. So while you are putting in the search, this, you are not giving that space at the beginning. Understood? Give that and do, will come. So sum ifs, this is the table. I'm sharing it. Tomorrow we'll start from this. Okay, I'm sharing this in the Skype chat. Before coming, make sure you're making this and coming. Okay. So this is the table. We're going to work some ifs, multiple if condition. Just others try. The formula which you are writing, that is correct. Still not coming. See here, everybody, look at the screen. This is a trim function. It will remove the extra spaces in the text, spaces at the beginning. Type trim, give the function this text, enter, and at the last give double tap at this column will get, okay, and then type the formula. This time don't give the spaces here also. Okay, so we'll continue tomorrow. Thank you all.